Now the pasta, the fettuccine. This is only between 6 to 8 minutes for boiling. Whenever I'm cooking pasta, I always put oil because I don't want them to stick together, so that it it comes out firm and it won't become so soft. So we're gonna waiting this for, see, I set it for 8 minutes, but you have to keep an eye so they won't stick together. Guys, before the strainer, because I want to get some of that pasta juice from the boiling water, because we're gonna use that in cooking the main procedure. You see that? So the juice is there. We need that for making the pasta. With this one, I'm not going to wash it with a hot water because we need our pasta to make it more creamy. Butter, put some oil. Next is our pepper and garlic. We will wait until it's become golden brown. We'll give them a mix. Okay guys, it's already golden brown. So we're gonna put now our onions, and along with the onions, we're gonna put some salt to help reduce or to help making it more tender and produce more syrup. Chicken. We're going to use chicken breast today. Give them a mix. Parsley. We're gonna give them a mix. Okay. Gonna put the cream. Gonna add more. Hi guys, I'm trying now my pasta. Tricolor Fettuccine Carbonara Pasta. So creamy. I hope you enjoy my video, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and follow for more video updates. See you again. Bye bye.